Hi, my name is Muhammad Amirul bin Muhammad Anwar. My number matric is 2313111034. Okay, today I will present my material selection for the spacecraft application using present worth and annual worth analysis. This analysis is for engineering technology management with an interest rate of 12% and a project life of 5 years. Okay, problem background. In this project, a metallurgical engineer must choose between two materials, material X and material Y, for spacecraft use. The decision is based on the engineering economy analysis, especially present worth and annual worth method. The goal is to select the material that is economical, safe and sustainable. Cost given. This slide show the given cost data. Material X have a lower initial cost but higher maintenance cost. Material Y have a much higher initial cost but lower maintenance and higher service value. Both materials have the same 5 years service life, which make comparison fair. Present worth for PW result. From the table, material X have a present worth of about 46,308, while material Y have a higher present worth of above 48,868. This means material X has a lower total life cycle cost, which is very important for capital intensive aerospace project. Annual worth result. Annual worth show the equivalent cost per year. Material X cost above 12,606 per year, while material Y cost about 11,161 per year. Result, material Y looks like slightly better annually. The difference is small compared to the last initial cost difference. Okay, this is the PW calculation for material X. This slide show how to present worth for material X is calculated. We include the initial cost, yearly maintenance cost and service value, and convert everything using a 12% interest rate. After calculation, the present worth of material X is 46,308. Okay, PW calculation for material Y. This slide show the present worth calculation for material Y. Even though the service value is high, the initial cost is very expensive, which increase total present worth. The final present worth for material Y is 48,886, which is higher than material X. Okay, so final decision. Both present worth and annual worth analysis. I recommend material X. This material X more suitable for spacecraft project. Consequence of wrong choice. Choosing the wrong material can have a serious consequence. From a cost perspective, a high initial cost may reduce the budget for testing, backup system and safety features. From a safety perspective, this increases the risk of mission failure, which is unacceptable in aerospace engineering. For sustainable consideration, material X require a less initial reserve, which allow better use of limited aerospace funding. The conclusion: present worth analysis is very important for the project with high initial investment like spacecraft. Material X offer the lower total cost, lower risk and better sustainability. Therefore, material X is the best choice for the application. Thank you.